So a little over 2 weeks ago, I posted a giveaway with all these products listed. So now it is time for me to pick and see who that winner is. Now, let's just kind of go back over again what is going to be included in this. The first thing I want to mention is the barbecue hippie shirt. I have this in a few different sizes and colors, so the winner is going to get one of these. Obviously not as bright as this lime green one that I have here. Some other things in the giveaway, we have some rub recipe from GQ Barbecue out here in Colorado. Also has a YouTube channel. I'm going to leave a link to his channel in the iCard above and description below. We're going to be giving away a bottle of that. A company that really stepped up on this is a company called Miner's Mix. They are sending a bottle of their extra garlic rub. We have a bottle of their Poultry Perfection, and I've used this one. Actually, I've used both of these, and I really like both of those. We have the Memphis barbecue rub. I have not used this yet. We have the steak and veggie seasoning that they're also going to be providing, and roast and prime rib rub. Check that company out. Link's going to be in the description where you can buy it on Amazon, and a direct link to their website. Boom, we got that. Then Rich over at Rich's River Smoker, West Virginia, going to be giving away a bottle of his all-purpose rub. I'll leave a link where you can buy this, but even if you're not thinking about buying this, I'm going to leave a link to his YouTube channel so you can check out what he's doing over there in West Virginia. We have a bottle of El Rabbit's barbecue sauce. Really like this barbecue sauce. Again, link to where you can buy this, description below. I like this because it's not a super thick sauce. It's kind of on the thinner side, which I really like. We are going to be giving away some kettle roasted garlic olive oil. Yeah, boom. From the Napa Valley here in California. I'm sure that's some good stuff. We have some extra virgin olive oil flavored with white truffle. So we got a bottle of that. That's some good stuff. And my friends, and these are products that I just happen to buy randomly out, so there's not going to be a link to that. And while I'm going with products that aren't necessarily kind of sponsoring this, I was able to pick up some San Francisco sea salt. And this was something that I actually was not in the first video, but this is a chili lime sea salt. I could see this going really well with like some fish or chicken. And my people over at Inkbird, they are going to be helping with this giveaway by giving away one of their 4 probe meat thermometers. I'm telling you, I've seen a lot of them. I've used and given away a lot of them, and this is by far my favorite meat thermometer right here. So link is going to be in the description where you can buy this. It's somewhere in that $50 to $60 range depending on when you're looking at it, but boom, this is going to be in the description below, so the winner will get that. So now that we got all that out there, it's time for me to pick the winner. But before I pick that winner, I want to mention another giveaway that's going to be coming up pretty soon. So, you know, you can enter that. I'll probably have this next giveaway posted in about another week. But my friends over at barbecuehippie.com are going to be also, this is going to be a sole giveaway for their own products. They have this like coffee mug type situation. I mean, it's hard for me to give this away because I really like this here. So they're going to be giving that away. We have a couple hats that they're going to be giving away as well. And I'm going to have 2 winners in this next video coming out for these guys. So you got that. We're going to be doing one of these shirts as well. So you got that. And then there's like, I didn't know what this was at first, but then I went on their site and looked it up. And this is, looks like a little, like where you put like a bottle of beer to keep it cool. Anyway, that is going to be in a giveaway coming up. Let's see who wins this giveaway right now. It is time to see who the winner is. I'm going to go ahead and paste in my URL in our little picker. And let's see what's up. So it looks like we had 168 entrants in this. Let's go ahead and pick one. Well, Barbecue Hippie, you are the winner. Like I said, you can win all this stuff. I'll actually send you back one of your own shirts if you'd like. If not, if you just like a portion of this, whether it be the seasonings, barbecue thermometer, things like that, just let me know. Anyway, Barbecue Hippie is our winner. I want to thank everybody for entering this contest. Like we said earlier, barbecuehippie.com will be sponsoring a giveaway probably within the next week to 10 days, so be on the lookout for that. Thanks for stopping by No Hippie Barbecue. I do appreciate it. Comment, subscribe, and I'm out.